70 miles per hour wind. Source, radar indicated. Impact expected. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chicago, Aurora, Naperville, Elgin, Cicero, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, Hoffman Estates, Oak Park, Downers Grove, and Glenview. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.